Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number one followed by the words Spot Media. Police Commissioner George Coelho has backtracked on his earlier stance that he accepted the JCF administrative review, which cleared 5 cops of wrongdoing during the May 2010 West Kingston operation. In a statement last night, Mr. Coelho said he accepts the report of the West Kingston Commission of Inquiry. The JCF has been under pressure to withdraw the report which cleared 5 officers against charges of dereliction of duty for their part in the 2010 operation. The review has been described as a slap in the face of the West Kingston inquiry, which had leveled the charges against the officers. The police commissioner had previously said he stood by the JCF's review report. Last week, Minister without Portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Dr. Horace Chang, said the government could not accept the JCF Review Committee's report. Following a meeting on Saturday with National Security Minister Robert Montague, Mr. Coelho released a statement. Mr. Coelho in that release said the JCF as an arm of the state remains in one accord with the government and accepts the report of the West Kingston Commission of Inquiry. The commissioner said it must never be construed that the police and the state are not in unison. He added that the JCF stands ready to accept fully the responsibility of its actions. He said the administrative review, which contains 8 recommendations, have been forwarded to the Police Services Commission. On Friday, the JCF issued a statement with the headline, Police Federation and the Police Officers Association stand with the Commissioner of Police, suggesting Mr. Coelho had the support of those groups for his stance on the controversial review report. The statement gave no details on the positions of the groups. According to the statement, during a meeting with the 2 groups, the police commissioner explained his public comments on the JCF Administrative Review Report. It said during the meeting, the commissioner explained that his position to stand by the review report meant he was satisfied with the process of review. The commissioner also explained that the review panel comprised experienced, technically sound and reputable citizens who were objective in their approach.